As of winter 2024 to 25, citizens of New Jersey have witnessed many UFOs in their airspace, evoking feelings ranging from terror to intrigue. Many citizens of New Jersey have wished that they had a means of defense against these drones, that they had something to ward them off with. It occurred to me that we might be able to highlight a countermeasure. There is a little-known technology referred to as the Cloudbuster, which according to its creator was able to ward off UFOs. In theory, the device uses an etheric energy drawn from nature, utilizing alternating layers of ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic materials to harness and project an energy visible only under a Kirlian camera, shown here. The Cloudbuster was used in the 2000s by George Ritchell and his team to stave off droughts and bring rainfall to Africa. And we have demonstrated the Cloudbuster in action. Our first experiment can be seen here. Your eyes do not deceive you. We did receive a lower EMF reading when using it alongside the Cloudbuster. We also discovered that there was a sweet spot in which the EMF was even less pronounced. This side-by-side comparison shows the difference clear as day. In A Book of Dreams by Peter Reich, he retells the story of how he grew up as a child of the 1940s and 50s, helping his father operate the Cloudbuster, which is recorded to have been used against UFOs.
The atmosphere is always so clear and fresh after organizing. If we can stop the disintegration of the atmosphere and bring rain over the Pacific, we will break the drought over our point. Then the Air Force will understand. But look, the count has gone way down. Where's the EA? They looked up at the sky. Why, it's gone, said Bill, searching the horizon with his binoculars. I grinned. My idea had worked. What are you doing with the Cloudbuster? Asked Daddy. I've been doing this. Watch. I moved the Cloudbuster back and forth and up and down, checking through the sighting scope. Sure enough, the EA was just a faint glimmer and seemed to be getting smaller and smaller as if it were being sucked up by the sky. When it was gone, we were pulling the pipes back together. Daddy said, "That was very good, Peeps, very good. You are a very good little soldier because you have discovered a new way to disable EAs. I'm very proud of you."
We have a Cloudbuster of our own and have been running experiments with it, going so far as to make a how-to guide on creating your own, which could do wonders for people's curiosity. You can find out more on our other videos on the Cloudbuster. Hello my acolytes! I am excited to say we will be debuting a new video on the history of medicine February 1st. Also, we are still taking questions for the Q&A, so if you have anything to ask, please comment below. Oh, and if you want to see more of us, please check out the Above Below show, an excellent podcast to learn about the secrets of this world. Click here to see our video talking you through the Cloudbuster, or click here to learn how to make your own. Thanks for watching.